Hi seniors, I want to let you know a few things that you must do in order to apply for your college application. We're going to look at matching your account with Naviance if you are applying via the Common App. We need to make sure we know how you are going to be submitting your application, and I'm also going to show you letters of recommendation. So this is what you see when you first log in. I'm going to go ahead and go into colleges I'm thinking about. And right here you can see I'm applying to University of Northern Iowa through the Common App. This is what the CA stands for, the Common Application. So if I go ahead and go here, I click it, and I want to move this to my application list. Two very important steps that we need to do. Which application deadline do you prefer? Right now, the early decision has expired as of today. So my student is going to be applying to the University of Northern Iowa via the regular decision. And how will I submit your college application? This is very, very, very important. If you don't tell us how you are applying to these colleges, we are not able to send your transcripts to the university that you are applying to. So if you're doing it direct to the institution, that is completely fine. You can just apply to the University of Northern Iowa via their website. Or if I'm going to apply via the Common App, I'm going to go ahead and choose that right now. And I can already say I've sent my application, so I'm going to add and request transcripts. What type of transcript are you requesting? I want my initial transcript sent, and I'm going to request and finish my request for transcript. If I do not do those steps, move it to the application list, they will not go anywhere, and your request will just sit there in Naviance, and University of Northern Iowa will never get your transcript, or we will not know how you're submitting your application. If you are applying to college via the Common App and you see this giant red message, you have to click here on Match Accounts to make sure that the Common App can communicate with Naviance. If you do not, once again, your transcript will just sit out there, your application will sit in Naviance, and we will not be able to finalize your application. Once you match your account, it is simply putting in the email address that you used in the Common application. So you click here, and your email address will come up, and your date of birth will be automatically matched. You submit it, and that's all you get. Once you put in your email address, and you push submit, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your Common application has been matched, and we can actually send your transcript and your application to the appropriate college. One final thing is requesting letters of recommendation from teachers. What we do is we go up here to colleges, scroll down to apply to college, and here we can select letters of recommendation. And in this form, we can add a request to whatever teacher you would like to send you a letter of recommendation. This will get sent to them via email, and they will get a prompt that says they need to go in there and write a letter of recommendation. I would allow at least 2 weeks, and I would also verbally tell the teacher that you need a letter of recommendation or that you're going to be requesting a letter of recommendation. You can select which college is this specifically going for. Is it going to a specific one or all current or future colleges I'm applying to? We would like for you to fill out the brag form that we showed you earlier, or if you'd like to write here some personal qualities that they can help write the letter of recommendation so they can be specific and make your letter of recommendation shine. You'd go ahead and you'd submit the request, and that's how you would add a new request for letters of recommendation.